Welcome to OSBT Standard Procedure 034, Fire Extinguisher Policy, Employee Education. Fire Extinguisher Procedure. Portable fire extinguishers are intended as a first line of defense to cope with fires of limited size. This policy will establish procedures to supplement fire extinguisher requirements and help assure fire safety at OSBT. A portable fire extinguisher is a first aid device and is very effective when used while the fire is small. The use of fire extinguishers that matches the class of fire by a person who is well trained can save both lives and property. Portable fire extinguishers must be installed in workplaces regardless of other firefighting measures. The successful performance of a fire extinguisher in a fire situation largely depends on its proper selection, inspection, maintenance, and distribution. There are 4 different types of fires. Type A, ordinary combustibles such as wood, cloth, paper, rubber, and many plastics. Type B, flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, grease, tar, oil-based paint, lacquer, and flammable gas. Type C, energized electrical equipment, including wiring, fuse boxes, circuit breakers, machinery, and appliances. Type D, combustible metals such as magnesium and potassium. These types of fires are uncommon. Most of the fire extinguishers are classified as A, B, C, which can be used on the 3 common types of fires. Please note that most extinguishers are limited and most small extinguishers will discharge their contents within 8 to 15 seconds. Fire extinguisher procedure. Immediately pull the handle on the nearest firebox and or call campus police at 911. If the fire is small, heavy smoke is not present, and you have an exit available to you for evacuation purposes, you can use the nearest appropriate extinguisher following the PASS procedure. Otherwise, leave the area by the nearest exit. Do not use an elevator. Use the stairs to change floors. If you are disabled and not able to exit the building, go to the nearest safe area and wait for rescue. If the fire is large or the area is filled with heavy smoke, just as deadly as fire, pull the handle on the nearest firebox, evacuate the building, and call 911 from safe area. Remember the PASS word. P. Pull the pin located in the extinguisher's handle. A. Aim the nozzle, horn, or hose at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze or press the handle. S. Sweep from side to side at the base of the fire until it's out. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Pass. Ratings of fire extinguishers. The fire rating of an extinguisher provides a guide to its extinguishing ability. Class A and Class B fire extinguishers carry a classification on their nameplates that consists of a numeral followed by a letter. The numeral indicates the approximate relative fire extinguishing capacity of the extinguisher on the class of the fire, which is identified by a letter. For example, A 4A extinguisher has approximately twice the extinguishing capacity as a 2A extinguisher. The actual fire suppression capacity is related to the experience of the operator. Fire extinguishers at 8300 FM 1960 West, Suite 100 are located in the call center, employee lounge, Esteban's workshop, near the small conference room, and in Suite 205, they're located near the copy machine and near the men's room. Housekeeping. Keep all hallways, corridors, and exit areas clear of items that impede progress in an emergency. For example, chairs, tables, boxes, equipment, etc. Properly store combustible items. Do not accumulate unnecessary cardboard boxes, chemicals, and paper products. When stacking or storing items on shelves, the top of the item must be a minimum of 18 inches below sprinkler head deflectors. Avoid storage of flammable liquids outside of a flammable storage cabinet. Please take a moment to review and remember pass. Again, pass, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Pass. The document in front of you shows the layout of OSBT and indicates where each pull box and fire extinguisher is located on the first floor. Please take a moment to review this document and familiarize yourself with exits, extinguishers, and pull boxes. For a copy of this floor plan and emergency equipment maps, please see the safety team. This concludes fire extinguisher policy training. Please copy and paste the test link into your browser and begin the quiz.